So in this keynote presentation video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add columns to a table here on Keynote in your presentation. So once Keynote's opened up on your device, what I want you to do is for this example, I'll just go ahead here and I will duplicate the slide. Or actually, I'll just go ahead and add a new slide that's blank. Once I'm here, I'll go to the top, I'll add a table to my design. This one just like this. So as you can tell by default, it actually does default to 4 rows right here. If you want to make it larger, the simplest way is to go to the top right, press on these two little lines right here, and then press on the up arrow to increase the amount of rows. You can also go to the right hand side here, and where it says rows and columns, or sorry, columns, my bad, go to where it says 7 right here. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever you guys want to do. That is completely up to you. So very basic, very straightforward, but that is how to add columns on your table here in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.